Think Windows Calculator is just for basic math. Think again. It includes powerful tools for scientific calculations, programming, graphing, unit conversions, financial calculations, and productivity features that can make everyday work much easier. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to master Windows Calculator in 2026. Start by opening the navigation menu to explore all available modes. A Windows Calculator includes standard, scientific, programmer, graphing, date calculation, and converter modes, each designed for specific tasks. Use standard mode for everyday calculations, percentages, square roots, and memory functions. Learn how to access the history panel so you can review previous calculations without repeating your work. Improve your speed by using keyboard shortcuts instead of your mouse. Type numbers directly, press Enter to calculate, use Escape to clear entries, Delete to remove the last digit, and Ctrl+C to copy results. Switch to scientific mode for advanced mathematics, programmer mode for binary and hexadecimal calculations, and graphing mode to visualize equations. These tools make Windows Calculator valuable for students, developers, engineers, and technical professionals. Don't overlook the converter tools. You can quickly convert currencies, temperatures, lengths, weights, volumes, energy, data sizes, and many other measurement types without opening another application. Finally, enable Always on Top mode when working in Excel, Word, or your web browser, and keep Calculator updated through the Microsoft Store. These simple habits help you work faster while enjoying the latest features and improvements. And that's how to master Windows Calculator in 2026. Once you learn every mode, use keyboard shortcuts, take advantage of converter tools, and make use of productivity features, Windows Calculator becomes much more than a simple calculator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.